Wonder if I show it to her, and then I put it in that ball pit.
Let's see.
Ready? Get it!
Take to the sky.
Oh,
there she goes.
Oh, that treat is long gone. Hey everyone, we're at the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower, and we've got to find Chase, Marshall, and Skye.
That's right. It look, it's a giant ball pit, right?
Woo.
And it's built on a pedestal of Legos.
Legos.
Right?
Right.
So the pups got to go into the ball pit, and if they want, they've got a special secret ball pit right there, don't they?
Yeah, that they can jump into.
Waffles loves that.
Yeah.
So how do they get up there?
They start over here,
Okay.
going through the tunnel,
So they got to go through that tunnel.
and then they go up that ramp,
So there's a ramp there, and then there's another tunnel right here, right?
right, which leads
So here's the tunnel.
to going up here.
All right.
Then they go up the stairs, down this ramp, and then down this ramp, and then they're there.
And this right. And the lion guard's right here protecting it, right?
Right.
Kion. So we gotta find Marshall, Chase, and Skye.
Okay.
So let's see if we can find them. There's a tunnel over here.
Okay, I guess I'll look in there. Oh, little ball.
Wait a minute.
Marshall!
It's Marshall. Okay, let's listen.
Look.
So we're gonna take Marshall out,
Okay.
and we gotta turn him into the actual Marshall, right?
Right.
All right, 3,
2, 1. Whoa, Marshall!
Marshall Wiggles, you made it.
Yay!
Are you want to try to get up to the lookout tower now, or do you want to wait for your for Waffles and Waggles?
I think he wants to wait.
I think so too. So we found Marshall
Whoa.
Wiggles.
Wait, so now who else do we have to find?
We got to find Skye, and we've got to find Chase. You see him anywhere?
No?
Up here, maybe? Maybe inside the box fort? Nothing in there.
Well,
All right. Well, let's just keep on going.
okay, this way?
Yeah.
Through the tunnel.
Through the tunnel. Hey, let's go and see the shortcut. Oh, look, you got to go.
Anything in here? You want to buy anything?
We don't have time for that kind of stuff because we got to find Paw Patrol.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess we could look in the house, maybe.
Okay.
Anyone home? Chase!
Pull him out. Let's see. Is that really Chase?
Wait, hold on. Yes, it is Chase.
Okay. Let's back up a little bit because you got to go 3. It sure is dark. Hey, let's bring him up front. I don't think you can see him like that. All right, let's go over here.
3, 2, 1. Whoa, Chase!
It's Chase Waggles. All right, good job. All right,
Joining Marshall?
but now we have to find one more dog.
Skye!
Skye. So we found Chase and we found Marshall.
We already looked over here, so let's go through the tunnel again.
Yeah, we're gonna go back to the tunnel.
Whoa.
Oh, look!
Beep, beep, beep.
Chase is on the case. He's helping us find him.
That way, Chase? That way?
Wants us to go this way?
Oh, cool. A ball. Chase, you want the ball? Oh.
Wait. Good job, Chase.
Skye! Great job.
All right. You ready to take to the sky?
Yeah. 3.
No, not yet.
Wait,
Can't.
hold on.
Waggles, you're in front of the camera, buddy. I mean, it's Chase.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Skye, welcome!
Oh, it's Skye Waffles.
Where are you going?
Are you ready to go to the lookout tower?
Yeah, let's go!
All right, let's see if we can get them all to the lookout tower.
Marshall is looking through the...
All right, let's go. Let's go, Skye. Come on, Marshall. Come on, Skye. Come on, Chase.
Waggles, Chase. Wonder where Chase went.
I don't know. There's Waffles and Wiggles.
Wiggles, come on. Come on. No, she already started.
So Skye really wants to go up the lookout tower. There she is. Let's see if she can make it. Good job. We're going up. Good.
Good job.
Oh, watch out for Kyan.
Oh,
There's Kyan. Do you like Kyan?
scared.
Kyan.
Keep going, Wops. I mean, Skye. Come on. What's this?
It's the ball pit.
They still haven't found that treat up there.
Look, your sister's right. There's a treat up there. Let's see if Waffles will find it. You want to get to the treat?
Wonder if I show it to her, and then I put it in that ball pit.
Let's see.
Ready? Get it.
Take to the sky.
Oh,
There she goes.
oh, that treat is long gone.
Look at Waffles.
It's sinking.
She's thinking. All right, but we gotta find Skye. We gotta find Chase and
She's find the dog. She blends in.
there's Skye.
I guess I'll help her out.
There's Marshall. Marshall, you gotta go to the lookout tower. Come on. Come on, Marshall. Wiggles. Come on. You wanna come to the lookout tower?
Waffles jump back in.
Waffles.
Took her out. Come on, Wiggles. Come on.
So Wiggles.
Good job.
Good job, Marshall.
Good boy.
All right, good job. Good job.
Gonna take
All right, let's
him
go
a
to the
minute.
lookout tower.
It's gonna take him a while to eat that.
All right, so while he's eating that, look at Skye. What are you doing in there?
Here, take her out and then see what's going
We'll have to wait. Marshall, are you coming? Marshall. Okay.
on.
All right, so there's
Waffles,
Skye.
come in, Waffles. Waffles, Skye, this way. Look, guys. Look. Get him.
Go get it. Go get it, Steve.
Get it.
Go take to the
Get it.
sky.
Come on.
Take to the sky.
Take this guy. Oh, here comes Marshall.
There goes Marshall.
Yay! You want to come in? Whoa!
All right, ready? I'll throw a treat in there. I'll see-
Treat.
So here's a treat. Ready? See the treat? Ready? See the treat, Wiggs? Go get it.
It's in here.
Oh. Good job.
It's in that corner, Waffles.
Oh, and Wiggles found one too.
Good job.
Good job. Well, we still have to find Chase. Where did Chase go?
I don't know. Let's go look for him.
Okay. So there's Chase. Chase, you gotta. Chase says you gotta go through the top. Whoa. Chase, that's a new way of going. Chase.
Come on, Chase.
Chase, you're on the case.
We're rooting for you.
Come on, Chase. Go through there. Go get it. Remember, you go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. Chase, go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. Waffles, want you to go through the tunnel. Let's go through the tunnel. Waffles, Waggles. Let's go through the tunnel. Ready? 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 Go through that tunnel. There you go. All right, let's go. Waggles. There's There's Chase. Oh, and there's Marshall.
Go.
Oh, and there's the assistant.
Go up, guys. Go up.
Come on, let's go. Chase, you gotta go. We gotta go to the tunnel.
Good job.
All right, so let's go. Well, there's Waffles leading the way. Good job, guys. Good job. All right, come on, Marshall. Come on, Marshall. All right, Chase. Chase, you gotta go too.
Come on, Chase. Come on. Yay.
Oh, good job. Good job. Oh, Chase. Chase got a treat. Good job, Chase. All right. Gotta go into the ball pit.
So close, guys. So close.
We gotta go.
Come on.
Come on. Ready? Good job. Oh, good, good, good. Go get it, Marshall. All right. Oh, Chase made it. Finally, Chase.
Yay!
Chase has made it all the way across.
Jump in here now.
Ready? Who's gonna go get the
Get
treat?
the tree in there.
Go get it.
In there. Waffles, there's a tree in here.
Go get the treat.
You gotta show it to them and then throw it.
Ready? Ready? Treat. Treat. Go get it.
Tree! Tree, look! There's a tree in there!
Oh, there you go. goes, Waffles. So Skye, I think, is the bravest, right?
Yeah, she's used to flying.
And then I think we have
Then
Marshall
Wiggles.
and then Chase.
Yeah. Wiggles, you want to try and jump in?
Waffles.
Whoa! Wonder if we can bury her.
All right, should all 3 dogs go in?
Yeah. Okay, Waggles, your turn.
Waggles
Boing. Whoa.
and Wiggles. I will say Wiggles is the least favorite for going in. Waffles will jump in ball pits on her own, won't she?
Yeah. Now all 4 of us are in.
All right, ready? Tornado in the ball pit.
Oh.
It sounds like you're in a giant football machine.
Whoa!
All right, let's put them up. Let's put them back up and see if they'll run back out. Ready? So we'll put Marshall up. Back into the Paw Patrol lookout tower. Skye and Chase. All right, who's gonna? Oh, Chase. Chase is leading the way out.
Go, Marshall.
Go. Come on, Chase. Come on, Skye. Oh, Skye is. Let's go. Take to the sky. Go. Who's gonna get back out first? Come on.
Oh my gosh. Come on.
Go, Marshall. Go. Skye back in. Chase, you gotta go.
Come on, Chase.
Come on, let's go.
No, wrong way.
Wrong way. Okay. But since I think they had a lot of fun. What do
Yeah.
you think? Do you think they had a lot of fun?
Yeah.
So what should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That's right. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.